The Clarke CTJ1800A 1.8-ton aluminium racing trolley jack is ideal for low-slung sports and race cars. This great trolley jack benefits from a super low saddle of just 85mm, rising to an impressive 465mm. Dual pumps make this a fast-acting jack, and its rubber contact pad prevents damage to vehicles, while the nylon rear swivel casters and wide front wheels make maneuvering this trolley jack easy, without sacrificing stability. The handle has a protective rubber sleeve to protect the vehicle bodywork. Its lightweight aluminium construction and smart, tough anodized finish makes the CTJ1800A not only easy to move, but great looking too. It's clear why this is one of our best-selling trolley jacks. With a lifting capacity of 1.8 tons, the simple-to-use CTJ1800A is the perfect jack for low-slung cars and a firm favorite with race teams and sports car owners.